Good morning, students. Let's continue Science Lesson 11 Solids, Liquids and Gases. Today in this lesson we'll learn about what is matter made up of, heating and cooling of solids, liquids and gases, and physical and chemical changes. Children, you will see many different things around you. All these things are made up of different materials. Books and boxes are made of paper. Tumblers and bottles are made of glass or plastics. So the things around us are made of different materials. So everything that we see around us, such as water, food, furniture, plants and animals, is matter. Apart from these things that we cannot see, such as air and water vapor, present in the atmosphere are also matter. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Mass is all the stuff present in an object. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid and gases. It is made up of small particles called atoms and molecules. Atoms means the building blocks of all matter. They are very small in size and cannot be seen with our naked eyes. To see those atoms, we have to use powerful microscopes. So everything around you is made up of atoms. So the air we breathe, the water we drink, everything on this earth, it is made up of atoms. When two or more atoms combine together, they form a particle called molecule. As you can see here, an example of an oxygen molecule which is made up of two oxygen atoms. So it has been written as O2. Whereas a water molecule is made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. So it has been written as H2O. Children, you will come to know that the atoms and molecules, they are always in a constant motion. That is, they are always moving. So as we know that the matter exists in three states: solid, liquids and gases. Now let us study about the molecules of solid, liquid and gases. So now let us see the molecules in a solid. So these molecules are arranged in a pattern. They are very close to each other. They have no intermolecular space between them, so they cannot move. So the solids, they have a fixed shape and volume. These molecules, they are held together by a strong pull. Next comes the molecules in liquids. So the molecules, they are not arranged in a particular pattern. They are held together by a weaker pull. The molecules, they are not very close to each other as compared to the solids. So they have intermolecular space and they can move. And these liquids, the molecules, they have a fixed volume but no fixed shape. Now comes the molecules in gases. So here we'll find that the molecules, they are not arranged in any pattern. They are far apart with a large intermolecular space. And the molecules are loosely packed and they keep on moving. And they exert a very weak pull on each other and they move at a great speed in all directions. So children, for today this much only. Your assignment is to read the explained topic nicely. Thank you.